Hey everyone, today we're doing a full comparison of Cursor and GitHub Copilot to help you decide which AI-powered coding assistant is best for you. Let's dive right in. First, we have here the Cursor, which is best for AI-powered code editing. It has a 5 pros. First is AI-driven autocomplete and chat direct in VS Code, with context-aware suggestion based on open files and the ability to edit and refactor entire code blocks with AI. It works offline with limited functionality only, and also customizable AI behavior for different coding styles, with 2 cons. First is limited integrations compared to Copilot, smaller user base, and community support. Second, we have here the GitHub Copilot, which is best for AI code generation and assistance. It has 5 pros and cons. First is trained on vast GitHub repositories for better code generation. Works in multiple IDEs, VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and more. With great for boilerplate, code, and auto suggestions. It also supports multiple programming languages effectively, with stronger community support and frequent updates. With the 2 cons. First is requires an internet connection and can generate outdated or insecure code snippets. Now, use Cursor if you want a better AI-assisted editing and offline capabilities in VS Code. On the other hand, use GitHub Copilot if you need a powerful AI code generation across multiple IDEs and programming languages. Now, which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. I really this help? If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.